Okay, let's come over and look at the NDX next. So NDX off the 4, this is the daily chart, 5 up to here is a diagonal, 1, 2, then the 1, A, B, C for the running flat, 1 up, 2 back. Now if I just come straight down to the hourly time frame, there's the running flat for the 2, 5 up, 2 back. Then I've got a leading diagonal with the move down yesterday into the 786, and we're starting to push up again now. We need to take out 75.81 in the NDX, followed by 76.92, and it is kind of behind in this fractal, the S&P 500, although it's it's considerably further forward in terms of being above the January high than the S&P 500. But if this is correct and we keep maintain now above 74.01, we should push up here next to 8037 in the NDX. Now coming over and looking at the Dow Jones, and you can see here from the weekly chart, we haven't yet taken out that January high still in the Dow Jones Industrial, despite it being particularly strong on this last part of the move up. But we do need to get on and take that out, and then we should push up to this 29,137. Coming down to the daily time frame, off the 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, and we should be in this 3 here with a target of 27,512 by way of 26,639 first. Now if I come down to the hourly time frame, and I've got this 1, 2, then a 1, 2, 1, 2, and how many 1, 2s can you have? But we've taken out this high here today, and we should be pushing up here 3, 4, 5 to the 123.6 extension next, 27,016 in the Dow Jones Industrial. Russell, I'm getting messy in the Russell, but I'm looking for a push up next to 1839 still, and the way I've got it at the moment is with the 3 of 3 in here, and this move back that we've seen, which is very overlapping and messy, as a 4 before we push up to that 1840 next in the Russell. And then if we look at today's action, it's lagging off the low. It's not come up as strongly or relatively as high as the S&P 500, for instance, but it's holding. This looks like a beginnings of, or latter stages even, of a 1 up. We get a small pullback and then continue the upside in the Russell also.